If you can, Rudyard Kipling's timeless guide to becoming unshakable. Life throws curveballs, doubts creep in. When chaos hits, how do you stand firm? Rudyard Kipling's legendary poem, If, offers ancient wisdom for modern times. It's a blueprint for becoming truly unshakable. Ready to build your inner strength? Principle 1. Keep your head. When everyone panics, when fingers point, can you stay calm? It's tough. Trust your own judgment, even when doubts swirl. But listen, understand why others doubt. Find your calm amidst the chaos. Your composure is your superpower. Principle 2. Wait and don't be tired. Patience is rare but powerful. Can you wait for your moment without losing focus? When lies spread, don't lower yourself to their level. When hate comes your way, don't let it fester. Stay true to yourself. Rise above the noise. Your integrity is priceless. Principle 3. Dream and think. Have big dreams, but don't let them control you. Don't just fantasize. Think deeply. Use logic, but don't let endless analysis paralyze you. Balance vision with action. Be humble, not overly showy. True wisdom is often quiet. Walk your talk. Principle 4. Meet triumph and disaster. Life has highs, life has lows. Can you face huge wins and crushing losses with the same calm spirit? See them as temporary imposters. Neither defines you. Learn from both. Don't get lost in celebration or crushed by defeat. Your inner balance is key. Principle 5. Risk all. Imagine putting everything on the line and losing it all. Can you pick yourself up, start from zero, and rebuild without a single complaint? True courage isn't avoiding loss. It's the spirit to begin again, quietly, bravely. Your comeback defines you. Principle 6. Hold on. When your body is tired, when your spirit is drained, when you feel totally empty, can you push past the limits? Can you force yourself to keep going, fueled only by sheer willpower? That stubborn voice inside saying, hold on. That's your unbreakable spirit. Principle 7. Walk with kings and crowds. Can you connect with anyone, from powerful leaders to the everyday person, without losing who you are? Can you be unswayed by enemies and not over-reliant on friends? Value everyone, but let no one define your worth. Your true self shines through. Principle 8. Fill the minute. Time is precious. Every minute is unforgiving. Can you pack every second with purpose? Make every moment count. Don't waste time. Be active. Be present. Be intentional. It's about maximizing your potential. Right here, right now. Seize the moment. Then the world is yours. Everything in it. But more than that, you'll be truly, deeply you. A person of integrity, strength, and unwavering character. This isn't just a poem. It's a blueprint for your ultimate self. Go forth. Live powerfully. Let your mind blooms.